Let me start with a fact. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the most transformative technology ever invented by humankind. Period. You may be thinking, whoa, AI? Isn't that just for robots and sci-fi movies? Nope. AI is already changing everything around you, from how you learn in school to how businesses run. And guess what? Most people are either scared of it, don't know what to do with it, or are just ignoring it altogether. But here's the thing. If you're not using AI to your advantage, you're leaving money, time, and opportunities on the table. In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should care about AI, how it's changing the world, and why you should start using it now. A lot of people are worried about AI taking their jobs, but here's the truth. AI isn't going to replace you. It's going to make you more productive. Imagine you're playing a game where you get a superpower. Would you want to use that superpower or ignore it? Of course you'd want to use it. That's what AI is. It's like a superpower that makes you faster and more efficient at what you do. Instead of doing all the boring stuff, you can let AI handle the repetitive work, and you can focus on what you do best. It's like having a helper who never gets tired and is always ready to jump in. Let's take an example. Imagine you're writing a school essay. You can use AI to help you come up with ideas, organize your thoughts, and even check your grammar. Wouldn't that make your job easier? AI doesn't steal your work, it helps you do it better. Another myth about AI is that it's not reliable. Some people think it's just a fancy toy that makes mistakes all the time. Sure, AI isn't perfect. It can make mistakes just like humans can, but when you know how to use it, AI can actually do some things better than people. Think of it like learning how to ride a bike. At first you might wobble and fall, but as you practice, you get better at it. For example, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than before. It can also help companies predict what products people want to buy. Sure, AI makes mistakes, but the more you understand it and work with it, the better it gets. You don't have to be an expert to use AI. You just need to know how to guide it. Just like learning to ride a bike, you practice, and soon it becomes second nature. Some people say that using AI is cheating. They think it's unfair to get help from a machine. But here's the thing. Using AI isn't any different from using a calculator for math or a tractor to plow a field. Imagine a farmer working in the field. Back in the old days, farmers used animals like oxen to help them with heavy work. But then they invented tractors, which made the work faster and easier. Did people call them cheaters for using tractors? Nope. In fact, the tractors help farmers do more work in less time, making them more productive. The same idea applies to using AI. When you use AI tools, you're making your work faster and more efficient. It's not cheating, it's being smart and using the tools available to you. AI is here to help you grow and get better at whatever you do. Whether you're working on school projects or a creative hobby, AI can give you a boost. Some people think AI is super complicated and only for tech experts, but that's simply not true. You don't need to be a coding genius to use AI. In fact, many of the most powerful AI tools today are made for everyday people, like you. There are AI tools that help with writing, organizing tasks, creating art, and much more. You don't have to be an expert to start using these tools. For example, have you ever heard of ChatGPT? It's a chatbot that can help you with writing, answering questions, and even brainstorming ideas. You don't need to know how to code to talk to it or get help from it. The same goes for other AI tools, like Notion AI for organizing your work or Midjourney for creating cool images. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and easy to use. All you need is a little curiosity and a willingness to learn. Now let's talk about how AI is actually changing the world. Whether you realize it or not, AI is already involved in so many things you see every day. Think about the last time you searched for something on Google. The results that appeared weren't random. They were based on what AI thought would be most helpful to you. AI helps recommend videos on YouTube, suggests products when you shop online, and even helps self-driving cars navigate the streets. But AI is also making huge changes in other areas like medicine, business, and education. For example, just a few years ago, creating a custom computer system for a company was a huge task that could take months. But today, with AI tools, you can build a working system in just a few hours. It's not just big companies that benefit. You can use AI tools to help you with projects in school or even in your hobbies. Imagine you wanted to create your own game. With AI tools, you could design characters, write a story, and even test your game in a fraction of the time it would take without AI. The possibilities are endless, and the more you learn about AI, the more you can do. Here's the best part. It's not too late to start using AI. The technology is still new, and there are so many opportunities for people who are willing to learn and experiment. AI is evolving every day, and if you start learning about it now, you'll be ahead of the game when it becomes even more important. Think about it. Just like learning to use a calculator or a computer, understanding how to use AI will be a valuable skill in the future. People who know how to use AI tools will be more efficient, more creative, and more successful. If you start using AI now, you'll have a head start in the future job market, and you'll have more time to focus on the things you love. AI isn't something to fear or ignore. It's a tool that can help you work smarter, not harder. Whether you want to be better at school, start a business, or just explore new hobbies, AI can help you do it all faster and more efficiently. The key is to stop thinking of AI as a scary robot or a gimmick, and start seeing it as a helpful teammate that's there to support you. Remember, AI is your superpower. You don't have to be an expert to use it. Just be curious. Learn a little bit each day, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So go ahead, dive into the world of AI and start exploring all the exciting possibilities that await. Now's the time to embrace AI and make it part of your world. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.